Hello, I'm PrettyChange, welcome to my channel. I'd like to show you how I've transformed guest room into my daughter's room. She is 6 years old now and she needs her own space. There will be second part of that transformation, so don't forget to subscribe. At the moment room is empty and unfunctional. It has got 2 fitted wardrobe, which I will focus on today. This wardrobe is quite big. I will change it to make better use of space. This storage is also in good size. I just need to add more shelves. Okay, let's tidy up. For storing clothes, I've chosen to use that drawers, which is so easy to put together. It takes less than 5 minutes. I got some carpet, it just needs trimming and will fit perfectly. I've got 2 pieces of small drawers and 1 bigger. This set will be great for storing clothes. Just put the top on and all done. For toy storage, I'll make shelves. I've decided to use shelves on rails because anytime I can change distance between them or even add some more shelves. These are the parts I'm going to use. To start with, I need to measure and mark where to fix rails. Next, make sure rail is level. Now I can mark where to drill holes for wall plugs. All done, let's fasten the rails. It's time to make some shelves. For easy removal in the future, it needs a gap between shelf and rail. It needs 4 screws to fix it together. All done. Now I will have to do the same with others. On the top I'll make permanent shelf. I need to make sure it is level first. Measure position for the brackets and mark points where to drill holes. It fits so nice. On the top there is a lot of unused space, so I'm going to add one more shelf. I'll do it exactly the same way as before. For easy access to this shelf, I need to make it shorter than others. I need to measure and mark where to cut. It's ready for fitting. There is gap all around. I'm going to fill it with acrylic sealant. Everything looks tidy and it's well fitted. Wow, it looks great! Now it got so much space for storage. just need adding some accessories and baskets to help keep everything tidy. If you got any ideas or questions, please comment. I will read it all. If you like that kind of content and don't want to miss next video or just want to help me grow my channel, please leave a like and subscribe.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.